Walked in this party and these girls looking at me. Skinny jeans on, hitting on my head and they say, hey, okay.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my videos. Got a huge vlog here today, and I'm playing Subway Surfers, as you can see. So yeah, let's start into this. That's my TV. I don't like this music. I don't like listening to music. It's annoying. I'm going against my friend. I know that person. I know him right there. My friend's dad. So today we're playing Subway Surfers. And yeah. I forgot. I'm playing Subway Surfers. I'm trying to beat some people's high scores. I want to see if I can beat some high scores from people. I'm trying to beat his, which I'm doing half of that so far. I beat half of it. So yeah, let's get right into this. Sorry about the times, guys. I couldn't think of anything to say. Okay, so 282 coins. So let's see this. Well, 30 times, 9 left. Spend 2,000 coins. 2,000 left. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna spend 2,000 coins. Roll sometimes, roll a few times, and I died. I'm gonna use one of these. Roll, 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 roly poly, roly poly, roly poly. Crap! I'm never gonna get that. Shoot, shoot. Ooh, so close. I almost died there. Ooh, so close. So close. I almost died. I just beat my high school. My high school. So yeah. Oh, no. Hi, cheetah. Hi, tiger. Whatever you are. Cheetah, tiger. You're still in the cat family. Where'd I go to? Shop. No, shop. Sales store. I'm gonna get. I need to spend 2,000 coins, guys. 2,000. All games for some reason. I don't want to earn coins. I want to buy some stuff. I need to buy. Let's get mission 3. There we go.
11. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And guys, my brother just walked in the room, and I don't want to keep doing this video because he's gonna annoy me. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you had I hope you had a good time. Actually, no, I'm gonna die, and then after I die, then I'm gonna die. So bye guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video.
Subscribe. And view this channel and subscribe.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe and even share. So bye guys. Hope you had a good time. See you later. Bye.